Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, I will reveal 5 hidden features of Microsoft Word that will enhance your Microsoft Word knowledge and you can impress your colleagues at your workplace. Let's dive into video. Very first one is random generate text. So do you know you can randomly generate text within your Word document? For example, if I want to generate any paragraph, any lines, so what I will do RAND, start of bracket, close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it has generated me the random paragraphs with the lines in it. Control Z to go back. I can even specify the number of paragraphs which I want and number of lines within the paragraph as well. So is equal to RAND start of bracket. So I just want one paragraph, comma, and I want 6 lines within that paragraph. Press enter. Sorry. Go after the close of the bracket, press enter. Now it's just gave me the one paragraph and which has the lines which I specified. Control Z to go back. So this was the random generate text function. So next one is hidden text. If I want to hide any text, so I will select the text which I want to hide, then right click, then go to font and another window will pop up. You can see the hidden function here. Tick this function, press OK, and now that text has been hidden. Control Z to go back. Number third feature is multiple cut data. So for example, if I want to cut my data from multiple location from multiple lines and paste them together, so I will use multiple cut data functions. So first I will select the line which I want to cut and then press Control F3. It has cut the first line and then I want to cut the number 4 line, select that line, again Control F3. Now I want to paste them together here, down here. I will press Control Shift F3. Now you can see those two lines have been pasted together. You can remove the space between them. So this is the purpose of this function. You can cut multiple data, multiple lines from the different locations and paste them together. Let's move on to the next one. The next hidden feature is autocorrect options. For example, if I want to autocorrect my word as I type, I will use autocorrect function. For autocorrect function, go to File, and then there is a Options function here, and another window will pop up. Number third, proofing. Click on this one, and first one you can see autocorrect option. Go to autocorrect options and then you can see the first tab autocorrect is showing me replace and with. So what I want if I type word place, it should be replaced with location. So you can type any word here, so that word will be replaced with the word which you mentioned here. So just add this word and it will be added within this database. Press OK. Again, okay. Now let's just try it. For example, I type PLACE place and space. Now you can see it has been replaced with location because I type the autocorrect, I activate the autocorrect option to place my place word with location. It has other options as well. So if you go to the options, proofing, autocorrect options. It has other tabs as well. Auto format, you can customize your format which you like, and math autocorrect, auto format as you type, actions, and autocorrect function. So these are the all tabs for you to consider. That's okay. The last one is screenshot. How can I screenshot my open window or how can I screenshot my specific area? So I will go to insert tab and then you can see that camera sign. Click the node on the side on at the bottom and then either you can screenshot the window or you can screen clipping, which is customize option. If I click screen clipping, so you can basically just customize screenshot. Click this one and it will appear here. Delete it. There is shortcut way to take the screenshot in Word, in Microsoft Word as well. The shortcut key is Alt N S C C. So again, it will show me the clipping, and clipping it will customize the screenshot which I want. Delete to go back. So these were the 5 hidden features within the Microsoft Word, which sometimes we ignore, but they are really important to know. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.